The Budgie News Report with Tweety.
Hello, my name is Tweety. This time on Budgie News Reports, I'll be talking about how to kick a footy. Tip 1. Never kick it inside unless you're a professional. Tip 2. Make sure you have a football and a right amount of space to kick a football. Okay, moving on. Let's watch him.
Yeah, Stevie, on the lead. Yeah, okay. On the lead, yeah. He didn't kick it to me, alright? It's got to kick it alone.
Hey! What was that?
That's